Macadamia.
Macadamia.
Tilad. Parang sa pili.
From nut.
Magtitilad ka ng pili.
You have to hit hard. Wow. There's another there's another shell.
There's another nut.
Oh.
That one was more hard. The other one is just the skin.
Oh.
That's it.
So
We
that's
have a similar one,
What is
but
it?
it's pointed. It's
in
pili
the
nut.
Philippines.
Oh, okay.
And you have to really be careful because sometimes it slip and it might
It's shoot.
and it might
Bullet, like a bullet and then stab
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Oh.
This one is at least it's round.
Yeah, they're just found.
Yeah. Oh here.
Oh.
Mmm. You want?
Yes,
you want me to
please.
give you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Focus mo.
Wow, look at all the holes. Oh.
Okay. Now my wife will try it. Okay. Remove the outer.
Well, I did it in one shot.
Okay. Para siyang pili.
Mm-mm.
Mm.